In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your table of contents pages back if you accidentally delete them. So I'll go ahead and show you if you delete these. Not a big deal. Goodbye. This is my Halloween cookbook, so don't mind the scary pictures. I can add the table of contents back just by clicking on this plus sign, choosing where I would like to insert that page, before or after. I'm going to go ahead and click before, which is where it was. I'm going to scroll down to Table of Contents page. Now I can choose the 2-column Table of Contents page or the 1-column. I like the single column. I think it looks nice. I'll go ahead and use that. I will tell you, if you are going to have multiple Table of Contents pages, you need to choose the same layout for every single page. Otherwise, it'll get totally off, it'll be so confusing, and it'll probably actually miss recipes. The system is set up to where you need the same layout for each page. So if you're going to stick with the single column for one page, you have to stick with the single column for the rest of the pages. So go ahead and check it out, click save, and there it is. So if I had more recipes, I would get a warning right here on the left-hand side where my little buttons are that would tell me, hey, we need more table of contents pages. At that point, you'll just repeat the process. You'll say after, you'll go back up here, click table of contents page, and again, please pick the same layout for your next table of contents page, click next, and then click save. Mine will be blank because I don't have enough recipes, but you get the picture. Alright, hope that helps. If you still need help, you're still confused, you need some clarification, please feel free at any time to email support@createmycookbook.com for more help.